In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate secure document uploads inside the GoHighLevel client portal. Part 1. We're laying the foundation by building a clean, secure form your clients can use to send documents right inside the portal. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account. From the left-hand menu, head to Sites, then open Forms. This is where we'll either create a new form from scratch or open one you've already started. I'll walk you through the exact setup I use so you can mirror it quickly. If you're creating a new form, choose the option to start from scratch so you have full control over the fields. I named mine Secure Document Upload so it's easy to find later and clearly labeled for clients and team members. Begin with a field for document type. Make this a drop-down to standardize the responses and keep submissions organized. Add clear options your clients will recognize, such as police report, medical bill, insurance card, medical records, photos of accident, injury, and an other option for anything that doesn't fit neatly. If you need more choices, use the Add option button to include them. Keeping this list concise but complete helps with reporting and makes downstream automation far more reliable. Next, add a file upload field. This is the heart of the form. Open the upload options and set the allowed file types to PNG, JPG or JPEG, and PDF. These cover most scans, photos, and official documents while preventing unsupported or risky files. Then set the maximum file size to 10 megabytes. That limit is large enough for clear scans and multi-page PDFs, but small enough to keep storage tidy and submissions fast. If your clients often send high-resolution images, consider reminding them to scan at a readable but reasonable resolution to avoid oversized files. Add a third field called Notes. This gives your clients a place to add helpful context, like claim numbers, dates of service, or anything the team should know about the document they're sending. Encourage concise, relevant details. This can save a lot of back and forth later. Once your fields are in place and labeled clearly, click Save at the top right. A quick tip: save periodically as you build to avoid losing changes, and use descriptive field names that your team can understand at a glance. That's it for Part 1. You now have a secure, structured document upload form inside GoHighLevel. In the next part, we'll connect this form to your client portal experience and begin automating the intake workflow so files are routed to the right place every time.